Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel CADD with Vikram. So today in this video I am going to discuss another one tools. That command name is sequence. So as you know what is meant by sequence. So like that something you are going to arrange properly in series wise. Okay. So in assembly what is meaning, just see, already I mentioned in a sheet, just you can see here what is meant by sequence. In assembly the sequence task is to control the order of component. What you are going to create some assembly or you are going to get disassemble like that, so some order will be there. Okay, in order wise only you are going to assemble or disassemble. Okay, so the sequence task is to control the order of component assembly and disassembly and simulate component motion. Or in another word, in easy word, you can say you can create here exploded and collapse arrangement sequence, and also you can export as a movie or video file. Okay, like that. As an example, you can see here one component is here. You can see this is the assembled component and this is the disassembled component in exploded view. So you are going to explode, and collapse your components, and also you are going to make a animated file. Okay, so let's start and see how to use this option. Okay guys, first of all create a assembly. After creating assembly you will see there are many constants. Just delete your all constant first. After deleting it, now for exploding go for sequence. So in sequence just click on that, just click on new. You are going to get new sequence. You can see here new sequence one is showing. Click on insert motion, click on camera first for record motion and select your component. I am selecting all nuts. There are totally 4 nuts I am selecting here. Now click on move option. Just you drag, you can move and rotate your components. Okay, then click OK. Again do the same thing. Select your on your camera first, then select your component. I am selecting here all volts. There are totally 4 volts, and then click on move option and just move it. If you want to rotate also you can rotate. Okay, click OK. Again do the same thing. On your camera select your component, just select your all 4 washer. I'm selecting here. Okay, all components, then move your components. So simply you are manipulating, so in which direction your components will disassemble, so that direction you are showing right now. Okay, so same things you have to do for all components. So simply for examples I am moving it little bit. See carefully. First of all you have to on your camera for record all positions, everything, all steps it will record, and then you have to select your component. After then you have to move your component. Now you can see I disassembled all components. Now what you have to do, so again I am going to assemble this because of in both forward and backward direction I want to explode and collapse, both direction I want to record. So simply I am going to assemble approximately. I'm going to assemble because of I have to show what is the actual position of component, how to assemble or disassemble. Okay, what is the position of any component that I have to show. So simply I am moving this, how it will assemble and which component will come first. So according to that I am moving or manipulating all components. So same camera on, just select a component, click on move, then just move it. Okay, so same process I am doing again and again. Click on move, zoom out little bit, just move it. Okay, and in last what will assemble, this nuts. So select your all 4 nuts, select, and then click on move, and approximately I am moving. So little bit also. Okay, just click OK. So now you can see total steps, how much frame step is 106. After then just play backward. Just click on that in playback toolbar. Just see automatically it will assemble or disassemble according to exploded, according to manipulating position. You can see here. So now you can see how it is assembling or disassembling. Next, I am going to export it as a video file. So I am selecting a folder. If you want to change name, you can change. Just wait a second, automatically it will assemble or disassemble according to given direction. So you have to wait. Automatically it will capture all steps and then it will record a video. You have to wait. See. Okay, now you can see here export to movie. Already exported in this location. You can see, just click on OK. Now check it. Now in this folder, Vikram folder, just go and see, this is the movie part. Just click on that, just play it. You can see both in sequence wise, in series wise, all your components is going to assemble and disassemble. So I hope you understand this tools, what is the use, why you are going to use these tools.